This is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency, or power and fuel efficiency, with four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have a rugged cargo floor, underneath of which you have a full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. To the sides, you have tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and on this side, you have this button to activate your articulatable hatch lights. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior or wetsuit material. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as down here you have a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches, as well as MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing or radio controls, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further information and settings. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. Below that, you have a little tray area, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.